Hello friends! BMW M5 G99 facelift. The car will receive a completely new front end, including front fenders and hood. The rear will feature lights in the form of a single narrow horizontal strip. According to the latest information, an increase in power is expected with the same powertrain. Thanks to photos of prototypes, it is already possible to visualize what the car will look like. The car is expected to premiere in early 2027. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos.